Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will be multiplying fractions. We have 5/8 times 4/10. When we multiply fractions, we multiply straight across. Let's multiply the numerators. 5 times 4 equals 20. Let's multiply the denominators. 8 times 10 equals 80. The product is 20/80ths. Let's simplify 20/80ths. We notice that the numerator and denominator are both divisible by 20. Let's think 20 times what is 20? 20 times 1. Let's think 20 times what is 80? We know that's 4. 5/8 times 4/10 has a product of 1/4. 3/4 times 2/6. Let's multiply the numerators. 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's multiply the denominators. 4 times 6 is 24. Let's simplify 6/24. We notice the numerator and denominator are both divisible by 6. Let's think 6 times what is 6? 6 times 1. Let's think 6 times what is 24? 6 times 4. The product is 1/4. 3/4 times 2/6 is 1/4. 6/9 times 3/5. Let's multiply the numerators. 6 times 3 is 18. 9 times 5 is 45. Let's simplify 18/45. We notice the numerator and denominator are both divisible by 9. Let's think 9 times what is 18? 9 times 2. And 9 times 5 is 45. The product is 2/5. 6/9 times 3/5 has a product of 2/5. 4/9 times 6/8. Let's multiply the numerators. 4 times 6 equals 24. 9 times 8 equals 72. Let's simplify 24/72. We notice that they're both divisible by 24. 24 divided by 24 is 1, and 72 divided by 24 is 3, because 24 times 3 is 72. The product is 1/3. 4/9 times 6/8 equals 1/3.